Apparo Tutorials. New features in version 3.3. Apparo Fast Edit version 3.3 comes with improved cloud integration. The standalone version supports OpenID Connect, on top of the Auth2 protocol, which allows the use of, for example, Microsoft Azure Active Directory. That enables integration with Microsoft 365. Kubernetes Docker containers are now also supported, and can be used for installation in cloud services, such as Microsoft Azure, or AWS. Also added as new data source, Azure SQL Server. What are the advantages of a cloud system, compared to the classic, locally installed solution? A greater stability, it can be designed to be fail-safe, even across continents. And a better performance, depending on the number of users active in parallel, the system scales up, which means it remains fast, for each individual user. Xlimport now supports a bulk import mode, that speeds up the import by a factor of 10, but does not support historization or auditing. In addition to the classic Impact user interface, you can now also use a more modern user interface. And the possibility to use an advanced text editor that can better handle pre-formatted text from sources like Microsoft Word, and optionally supports hyperlinks and images. Another new feature is the support of the IMAP email protocol, and CC and BCC settings in email business cases. Own Custom Buttons now also supports business case buttons. You can call all types of business cases, located in the same folder, except for email import business cases. It is possible to use parameters, such as P1, P2, etc., which are the primary keys. And parameters for report variables, that start with FE_, they store past values for further processing. Besides these features, there are many other minor improvements. When exporting Excel, primary key columns, and read-only widgets in the exported XLSX, can be automatically locked for editing. Editing of data rows can now be allowed, based on a variable that returns true. The same is possible for deleting data rows. Custom buttons can now be visible only, based on the access rights of security groups. And the automatic scripts, and database procedures feature, has been extended, with a trigger for post-delete action. A complete list, of all enhancements and improvements, can be found in the What's New document of version 3.3, on our website, or in your installation package. More information, and a free trial, on apparo.solutions.